The Tory benches will say it's all Labour's fault. We will say it was all the Tories' fault. But the truth of the matter is this. Where is it getting us? In my own constituency this evening, there are 2,000 people claiming job seekers allowance. 40% of those are under the age of 24. And behind those figures, there are real human tragedies. It's about the kids leaving school with no hope for the future. Their only hope might be, let's hope they do not be driven into the hands of drug dealers or get involved in crime because they believe there is no hope in the future. It is the hard-working family coming home tonight saying to his family, I've been made redundant after 20 years. And it is his wife who is worrying. And it's the single parent who is bringing up children on her own, who's just lost a job. And what does she do? And the question is, it is all very well quoting statistics. It is all very well quoting figures. But what can we do for those people? The simple fact of the matter is, unemployment is not a price worth paying. For me, anybody who loses their job, it's a total tragedy. And that is why it is so important in this amendment that we use bankers' bonuses to create youth jobs. That we do something to actually help people, not after 6 months of being out of work, like the Prime Minister said in his speech, but from day one. And I remember very well when I was a trade union official. What was said there when jobs were going, unfortunately, were being offshored. But what was created was a scheme there that when people were made redundant, the company matched half their redundancy to be used for training. For example, some people decided to become driving instructors. Some people decided to, if they were in the Solent, they decided to become shipbuilders or things like that. But it was something that would interest them. It was something they wanted to do. Now, I would like to see some encouragement through the tax system for companies who do make people redundancy, some sort of idea there. I'm sorry, I can't take an intervention because there's other people, but I would love to take an intervention from you. No. There we are. And as we were saying, the thing is, when you're unemployed, and I don't know how many people in this chamber tonight have been unemployed, it's soul destroying. It reduces confidence. In the worst cases, it brings about depression. And if anybody wants to see a microcosm of the economy, then walk down the local high street. Is there nothing more sad and depressing than seeing the butcher, the baker, even the candlestick maker, all boarded up? There is nothing worse, and there's nothing that says any more than the economy is not working.